Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we got a 2019 Nissan Sentra, and we're going to go over how you would replace the headlights and blinker light and side marker light on this vehicle. The bumper has been removed. You don't need to remove it. There is enough space to reach down there, but it's hard to be able to show what you're doing and what you're reaching for with it all up in there. So it has been removed. This has been freed up, and that just turned off automatically, but it has been freed up so that this can be pulled out so that I can get a better view for you. We've got a blinker light right here. We've got our high beams right here. We've got our low beam and daytime, and then right here is a side marker light. And so we'll get to that of how you replace elements inside the light assembly here. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.